HDFC Bank has recently been declared as the most valuable brand in India. This was declared by WPP, which is one of the largest communications and advertising groups in the world. On a lighter note, I'd like to mention that they've been marketing to become our agency over the last 20 years and we have not given them any business. So this is an unbiased award. The survey conducted by them covered 500 of the top customer-facing companies. The methodology for the survey was a combination of financial performance and feedback from urban and rural India. I have been asked that how does a bank build a brand which is different given that the color of the money is the same? We need to go back a bit and understand that there have been major changes in the world. The profusion of media, distribution channels and customer segmentation makes traditional brand building very expensive. The control in the digitized world has moved to the customer because he has a plethora of information available to him at his fingertip. We also need to understand that all customers are not the same and therefore have different needs. While we were building our brand, we therefore clearly decided that we need to define who we are and then, depending upon the customer segment, fit who we are into the needs of the customer and figure out how best to deliver it to him when he wants, where he wants and how he wants. Our research also showed that the customer still valued the intangibles of trust, security, safety, confidence, corporate governance, as well as you being a good corporate citizen. With the change in world, there was an opportunity also to deliver the right product to the right customer at the right time. We sat back and decided that we would move from a product-centric to a customer-centric approach, and this would allow us to build our brand at every touch point in terms of being able to communicate our values to the customer. So if you go through the traditional matrix of purpose, product and price, our purpose was to provide hassle-free, excellent service, meeting the entire financial needs of our customers across all segments. The product had to be cutting edge. It had to be one of the best in the market, which should be defined by our market leadership. And it had to be delivered with the fastest turnaround at the most appropriate price. We chose not to go in for paid media to build our overall umbrella coverage on the brand. Instead, we wanted to use our own media through touch points. We wanted our performance in terms of financial as well as product leadership to sit on the customer and for him to understand it. We wanted to deal in seminars and areas where we would exhibit our knowledge, and this has been good. And we substantially use the digital media, which is far cheaper and better. 30th August 2014 marks the 20th anniversary of your bank's incorporation. Receiving the award for the most valuable brand at this stage is very gratifying because it reflects your confidence in your bank. And we must reiterate, in your prosperity lies our prosperity. We hope we can build on this confidence and mutually beneficial relationship as we go forward. We are extremely happy that our hard work and our approach to building our brand has paid off and has been validated by an outside agency. Here is what WPP had to say, but once again, thank you so much for understanding us.
Banking here in India is at the heart of this burgeoning, growing, spirited economy that's reaching out to its customers across its 29 states. One bank stands out, as it's the most valuable Indian brand in our BrandZ Top 50 Most Valuable Indian Brands for 2014. And this brand is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank has been trading for 20 years and in that time has set up over 3,400 bank branches and 11,250 ATMs in more than 2,100 cities right across India. Remember, this is a country which now boasts a staggering sixth of the world's population. The bank offers a wide product range in wholesale banking, retail banking, and top-level treasury financial management too. If you're a consumer, you might want a two-wheeler loan or a home loan or even a life insurance policy. Its customers can go online and donate to a charity or make a religious offering. HDFC Bank has a remarkable 28 million plus customers who are living in rural and semi-rural areas. As these regions grow more prosperous, the bank has opened mini branches staffed by only a couple of people. It's a smart, strategic move. And to keep pace with the younger, tech-savvy generation and make banking easier, HDFC Bank introduced mobile apps. These apps enable HDFC Bank customers to stay up to date regarding their account activities and to pay bills, book tickets and transfer funds via smartphones when they're on the move. As part of its corporate social responsibility activities, the bank has initiated literacy, education and skills training programs across rural India. Such schemes are bringing more women into the Indian economy and transforming their lives and that of their young families too. HDFC Bank's small rural branches and its philanthropic activities to educate women are helping our Brandsy #1 brand in our top 50 most valuable Indian brands for 2014 to reach out to a new generation of bank customers. Initiatives like this are at the heart of India's changing economic and social development story.